shoulders back. Now push the floor. Push. Right, flex up here. Now toe ball heel. Pull, pull, feel your muscles. And toe. Okay, now you're on the right. And push. Watch the right. Spread your toe. Toe ball heel. Pull, 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 pull. And work. Okay, now you have 2 feet. Now from the toe, pull your knee over your toe. And you're going to push down. And rise. Everybody up, 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 up. Okay. Now you can relax this plie. Go down, all the way down. Try to be on the tip of your toe. Stretch your feet. Stay there. Now slowly lower your heel. Right. Can we get more hips forward? And push. Shoulders down. Right. And ears back. Long neck. Pull. Toes. Okay, now you're on the right. Right shoulder, right hip. Spread your toes. Right, and toe ball. Keep your hip forward. Now from the toes, pull. Now you're going to roll over and push. Big toe, second toe, heel forward. Okay. Now you can drop into a deeper plie. Try to just be on the tip of your toe. All right. Now you all have to move back off the bar. Open your arm in second.